Okay, so let's say I want to create a new project. It's very easy to do. I can go to File and New Project. Now, if I've done any changes, it will come up and say, hey, do you want to save this project file that you've made some edits to? Yes, as a matter of fact, I do. Let's go ahead and save this one more time before I create a new project. And now I can create any new project from here. But let's say I want to load a previous project. I have several ways that I can do it. One that I use most frequently is I just open it up from Windows Explorer. So I'll go in and I'll find the project. This was the one I wanted, and I will just double click it. And there we go. Now it's open in the background. Let's go to New Project. Another way I can do that is File, and I can open a project. It'll then have me search for wherever I want to find that file. And I see that file, I can open it that way. Double click it, it loads the project, and then I can begin editing it that way. Another way is File and Recent Projects. So here I can see the last 8 projects that I was working on, all the different names that I had, and I can just select the one that I want, and just like before, it will load my project from there. And lastly, if you happen to open Camtasia New, you'll have that splash screen. Remember that welcome window. And from here, you have the option to open a project, which will have you find a project, or you can find those last 8 projects here under Recent Projects. So again, several ways of opening up projects that are already existing. My favorite, though, the one I use most often, is I'll find the project I want within Windows Explorer and just double click it, and then it comes up in Camtasia.